Granny Smith Gold Mine. The Granny Smith Gold Mine is a gold mine 21 kilometres, 13 miles south of Laverton, Western Australia near Mount Weld. It is operated by Goldfields and, since the end of 2013, part of its Yilgarn South operation, which consists of Granny Smith, the Lawlers Gold Mine, and the Darlot-Centenary Gold Mine. History. The Granny Smith gold deposit was discovered in 1979 by Canadian prospector Ray Lovey Smith and named after his wife Lauren. Construction of the mine took place in the late 1980s. The project was originally owned by Delta Gold Limited, which became Orion Gold Limited in February 2002. Orion was taken over by Placer Dome Inc. in 2003, who already held a 60% interest in the mine, and Placer Dome in turn by Barrick Gold in March 2006. A large amount of ore processed at Granny Smith originated from the Wallaby deposit, approximately 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles west of the mine, and was hauled to the Granny Smith mill for processing. Open-pit mining at Wallaby ceased in September 2006, followed by a ramp-up of underground mining at the location. In February 2009, Barrick signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Crescent Gold to purchase ore from their Laverton gold mine and mill it at Granny Smith. In January 2010, an agreement was signed with Range River Gold to purchase ore from the Mount Morgan's gold mine and treat it at Granny Smith from February 2010 onwards. Environment. In 1999, abandoned mining pits at Granny Smith were used for trials on breeding silver perch and barramundi in salty water. Production. Granny Smith. Production of the mine as an individual entity. Yilgarn South, South. Production figures for the Yilgarn South operation, consisting of Darlot, Granny Smith and Lawlers.